The students have 2 semesters over a period of 1 year to actually validate their MVP with the customers. We invite startup founders to come to the class to share their experience.
Singapore is hot, right? We all know this. Really, really hot. We've all experienced that heat in our lives. There's not much more that needs to be said here. But as you might imagine, some people are affected by this heat a lot more than others. And one of the groups that we found to be most affected are students.
Every 32 minutes, an elderly actually reports to an A&E at the hospital because they've fallen down. So studies have shown that early intervention and monitoring can reduce falls by up to 50%. On average, this translates to about 180 falls per year per physiotherapist, which translates to about 135 hours saved per year per physiotherapist.
We have a very B2B model, so we can target at least 70 companies in Singapore. But to be a little more realistic, in the 2 years to come, we want to target at least 10 directors who would get us at least 20,000 clients.
We are already working with some of them, including Singapore First Aid Training Centre, Sengkang Hospital, as well as Sing Health. So away with the controllers, we are using the maintenance gloves. It's a lot more intuitive. We have the industry standard Isasi Annie mannequin over there.
With the safety tag, can you use your existing PPE items to build a sustainable safety culture and to increase the compliance rate among your workers, all while saving you time and money? Our most advanced plan includes all of the features that you need to keep your worksite safe, including advanced data analytics.
It's been a very interesting journey, and I've had a chance to really work closely with the students. Something that really stood out was the enthusiasm of the students. So I'm really impressed.
I want to congratulate all the 5 teams. I think you have presented a very good project.